A young mother returned to her ex-partner's home, unaware that a warrant for her arrest had been signed the night before. The same officers who took his complaint hours earlier were now obligated to take her into custody. The location is Columbus, Ohio.
Hey guys, go up there. Can you guys go up there, please?
Like what? Leave my mama house. Leave my mama house. Hey, at my mama house. Hey, at my mama. You don't live here? Hey, at my mama house. What you talking about?
So can someone tell me what's going on?
She at my mama house.
She pulled up at what? 3, 4 in the morning.
It's cameras.
Then she put, it's cameras here. Then she pulled back up, talk about she want to fight, talk about report ahead here that she ready to fight. Come off the porch, come off the porch. She pulled up with her babies, talk about some come off the porch. She ready to fight, so we're here to fight. Why are you calling?
Yeah, right at my mama house.
Who's it?
That's the driver. Her ride. That's her ride. You ain't got no ride. I want to have a car. He has my keys. Thank you. Shut up. Pop, I have a car. Pop, what are you saying? Stop agreeing. And you're acting.
Okay, can you... Shut the f*** up! Do you want to go to jail? Do you want to go to jail? Then back the f*** up.
Okay, like they...
And you shut up, or you're going to go to jail. Shut up!
What, Mom? What?
Well, you guys are cussing, so it's disorderly conduct. Yeah, so you guys can shut up.
She here, tell her to leave. She pulled up to her house and called the police on us.
Okay, I'm trying to resolve the situation. So stop. I'm trying to, but you keep screaming. Dear, what are you guys doing here?
My son is in there, and he has my keys. He won't give me my keys, and he won't give me my son.
She came here to fight me. She has.
Who's this?
This is my baby mom. She came here last night. I called the police on her because she beat me up on camera.
Do you guys have shared custody?
No, we don't. I have full custody of my son. She doesn't have full custody. We don't have no legal agreement where the kid.
Did you let him get the kid?
No, he came in here, climbed over her son.
Is this the kid?
No, my kid's in the house, but she's not even supposed to be here. She has a warrant for domestic violence. She came here to fight me again. She just came to fight me last night. I called the police last night. They told me if you see her again, call her because she has a warrant for domestic violence.
I just told her last night.
This address?
Yes, I have the camera. I have the video right now.
Yeah, sure.
This is what happened last night.
What's her name? And you already showed the cops this?
Yes, they showed this. Yes.
All right. I don't know. I guess she pulled up to fight him, and they're just all yelling and screaming.
Here, officer. She's talking about her keys and my son, but when the officers came last night, like they told me, she came back to get her keys last night, but she was driving crazy with my son. So after the situation where she fought me, I heard them took her keys out of her car, right? They came back, the officer told me, like, that's a civil matter, like, y'all gotta go to court for the keys. And as for my son, she pulled up here to fight, but my baby's in the car. Like, so I heard and grabbed him out, like, you trying to fight my other baby mom, like, it's all trash.
She's gonna be a 13. Yeah. Hey, dear, I'm gonna have you step out the car real quick. Just face that way.
Y'all remember you put me in jail?
Put your hands on your wrist. Stop.
Now get back up.
You got shoes?
He took them.
Okay, we'll try and get those for you, alright? Okay. You know you got a warrant?
Yes, from last night.
We should probably not came back here if you knew you had a warrant.
I don't care.
Stupid.
Shut up.
TV.
They probably charged you last night.
Yeah, it's probably.
Can we not leave till my mom get here? She's coming to get my son.
Well, he's the father, so it's.
But I don't want him with my son. I want my mom to get him.
No matter, I'm his dad. Sorry.
He can't stay here with her.
Well, he stays here. He
But he
goes
doesn't live
CSP.
here. No. Why can't my mom take them?
Go. Take a seat.
Why can't?
Sorry, I'm keeping your son. Sorry, my son. Thank you.
Where's your kid at? He's in the house. This is the dad.
Yep.
Resolve the problem just send her for a warrant.
It sounds like they signed a warrant on you for domestic violence. Okay. Well, you probably shouldn't have came back here. Because now we have to send you to jail. Okay.
I'm gonna roll her window down so mom can talk to her.
Hey, Mom.
for it. They ain't gonna give him to me because
He has nowhere to go. Like, how can you take my son and he don't have no place to live?
Why is there grass and stuff all in your hair?
Because he put his hands on me. I have scratches and bruises all over me.
So you still can't get your keys to your car?
No, they're not getting nothing for me. My keys, my son, nothing.
This is absolutely crazy. So he's just gonna be out here just riding around in your car?
Exactly. Like, what? It's not his car.
Where's the car at?
It's parked at my friend's house.
On Eastland.
Am I able to get my phone and tell my friend, like, my mom?
Because she's supposed to be, the girl's supposed to be on her way over here. That's what Mari said.
Where's your phone at?
I gave it to my friend.
Mari.
We can send your phone to county with you
Okay.
if you want it.
Okay.
You want your phone?
They taking you?
Yeah. Because I got a warrant for last night. I put my hand on.
Lord have mercy.
You have a warrant for EV, and then you have a disorderly conduct.
Yeah, I know, but see, that's what I'm talking about. See, the disorderly conduct.
Kinda, that was dropped. That was expunged. However you want
So
to
whatever
say it.
happened last night, they signed a warrant on her for domestic. So with domestic, we don't have any leniency of not to send her to county. If it was something else like an assault or like a theft or something, we could give her a summons. But by law, we have to ship her.
Okay.
Because if we say we let her go on that, she comes back and does something, we're at fault for that. We could get fired.
Okay.
So
I understand.
there's no gray area with domestic violence stuff. So I can see what I can do. I can't guarantee anything, but I'll definitely get your phone. Okay.
Under Ohio's mandatory arrest rule, officers with probable cause of domestic violence must arrest, not may arrest. The officer's phrase, "by law, we have to ship her," is a direct reference to Ohio Revised Code Section 2919.25. Before this law existed, domestic violence was often treated as a private matter, and the documented result was a cycle ending in homicide. The subject's profanity and refusal to disengage also constitute disorderly conduct, an independent ground for arrest. The dispute over the car keys is a civil matter, not a criminal one. Officers correctly declined to seize property at one civilian's request.
Do you have her phone, her cell phone? See, she's gonna take it to county with her, okay?
So what about her keys to her car?
I can try and get those. I mean,
Because how is he able to keep her keys?
it all depends. Like, if she lets him drive the car all the time, or they live together and they share the car, it's kind of for us to determine if he's allowed to have it or not. You know what I mean?
That's crazy. Right, even though it's in her name,
Right.
he can still keep the keys because he drives it. Wow.
Do he even got a license?
I don't know. I can try and get the keys from him.
Yes,
What?
because I don't think that's fair. Because then what if he purposely do something to her car just because of this situation?
Well, then she could file an insurance claim and go from there. But like I was telling Mom, like with domestic violence, there's not a gray area with that.
Yeah, they don't play about that.
You know, just because, you know, you live with somebody and it creates a conflict, you know.
Yeah.
You can't just go back to that person after, you know, they beat the shit out of each other.
Right, exactly. Gotta stay away from each other.
Right.
Yeah.
Which doesn't sound like they're very good at doing.
Right.
Especially if she lets him drive the car all the
Just
time.
saying the wake up call did issue because that's,
She knew she had a warrant. I don't know why you come back here.
yeah, that's what I told her. I said you should have pulled off.
The best bet would to have like a third party like you or grandma come and try and convince him to get the keys back.
Right.
I'm like, did you know you had a warrant? She's like, yeah. I'm like, you probably should come back. She's like, yeah, I know.
And that's what my mom told her to leave.
She knows. She literally said I shouldn't have came back here.
Yeah. So he can't even stay here with Cartier.
Because it's a family dispute, basically, is what he's saying. But he said he's trying to avoid that, so he's trying to see what they can do because she need to go with his grandma because he don't even got nowhere to stay.
Yeah.
So do he even know Say they're about to go to CSB?
No.
So what we'll probably do, we'll call CSB and they'll let us, and they'll determine that. I mean, if Dad's on scene and he has them all the time, you know what I mean? I don't see why. But that's up to them. That's out of our hands.
1-6 go.
No wipers, no milk, no wipes, no nothing. Come here to fight. We didn't bring nothing. We didn't bring nothing.
Sir.
No wipes, no milk, no nothing. My son doesn't have nothing.
Sir, come over. I just got to talk to you real quick. All right. You want to come over here so we can talk? All right. So here's the thing. You don't have custody of the kid, okay?
So it's not go, Mom.
So this is what we're gonna try. Do you have like a clean record or whatnot?
And I don't have no felonies.
Okay.
Maybe those misdemeanor tickets.
Okay. Because what has to happen since she is getting arrested for domestic violence, a family offense, we have to send the kid to CSB. But listen, just hear me out. If you have, if you're cool, cooperative, the CSB is going to come out here. They're probably going to talk to you. Since you're the dad, you could try to get emergency custody of the kid. That's a route that we can go. But that's what my sergeant said we had to do. I know it sucks, sir, but like I'm just trying to give you the benefits of if we do that, you could get emergency custody.
They gonna come today?
Yeah. So we call them. They're going to come out here.
That's crazy work. So I can't take my kid.
No.
All right, man.
I just wanted to inform you so you can try to get.
So what? Will y'all take care of y'all taking him?
Huh?
Y'all take care of y'all taking him?
So CSB is going to come out here, and if they're going to want to send the kid with a parent or a family member to give emergency custody to. And that's where I was trying to say, if you work with us and you work with CSB, you get custody of your kid, and there will be no problems about it. So does that sound cool to you? I know it sucks, man, but it's she made a dumb mistake. And that's where we're at, and that's what we got to do.
Okay.
So we'll wait on them and
Just co-parent. I raised 3 kids by myself. I'm 53 years old. You don't have to be in a relationship with somebody just to raise your kid if that's what y'all call yourself doing. Let it go.
Before they exchanged
Jesus
info,
freaking
advise
Christ.
them they're not the card free.
still
If it
you
gets to
can
the
still
point, you
hate
gotta
each
put
other
your-
and still co-parent at the same
If
time.
it comes to the point, you got to put your hands on somebody. It's time to walk away. That's this young generation. Boy, I tell you.
Yeah, I'm in service.
Different.
Oh, for sure. For sure. Like I said, my oldest daughter is 32. And Kayla's my youngest. And my son is 30, about to be 31. Like,
People don't care about the cops.
hell no.
I can tell you that first.
I did. I was working. I know I did the damn thing. But
Damn,
I'm cutting everything off.
okay, listen. I pull up like, okay.
That's that young stuff.
Yeah, that's what I told him. I said, this young generation is something
It's
else.
so
I
different.
mean, if your daughter didn't have a warrant, we'd just tell her to leave and that would be it. But, that's out of my hands.
We was trying, she was trying. I was telling her, shut up. You ain't got to argue with people. Just let people talk.
I told her friends she just pulled off.
Yeah, about no, you gonna be yelling out the window. They ain't gonna hear you because
If
she's
you
gonna be
would
down
have
the
did
street.
any damage to the car, that would have been on him.
Yeah. Oh, he gonna be wait till he gonna get a ride to that car, and he gonna be out here joyriding in that mother car. Guaranteed it.
The most consequential issue is the child. When a parent is arrested with no other guardian on scene, Children's Services, not police, decides custody. The officer offers the father the right path, cooperate with the caseworker, and request emergency custody as the biological parent. Troxel versus Granville, decided in 2000, recognized parents' fundamental liberty interest under the 14th Amendment. The officers receive a B+. Their procedural compliance was exact, and their explanation to all parties was unusually thorough. The subject receives a D. Returning to the address with admitted warrant knowledge eliminated nearly every defense available to her. The father receives a C+. He is the aggrieved party, but holding her car keys created an avoidable narrative of control. The first lesson, in domestic violence cases, just one more visit is the most dangerous mistake a person under a no-contact order can make. The second lesson, non-custodial parents must file for formal custody before they need it. Informal arrangements are not enough. The third lesson, holding an intimate partner's keys, phone, or documents creates legal exposure, even when you are the victim. The fourth lesson is the hardest. Children remember the handcuffs, the shouting, the police lights, long after the adults have moved on. Every walked-away argument, every phone call to a third party instead of a confrontation protects the child who is always watching. The final lesson, ask officers what your options are. They will often explain alternatives, but they are not required to volunteer them. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments which case you'd like analyzed next, and check our second channel for more Bodycam analysis.